It's all mocked up. I'm ready to center the car onto the string. It'll be nice if Jerry is here. At least I could show him just the basic idea on how to do the string alignment. Again, this is just solely just to make it safe for him to go home, that the car is not really wobbling around on the road. He needs to take it out to an alignment shop to get it professionally aligned. But I don't have any problem on mine, but it's better for him to have it checked. I'll give you a quick, much detail, but a quick rundown on what am I supposed to be doing. Okay, my bar has a slit on both sides and it was equal length. I got two sizes on there, which is one for Accord and one is for Civic. So it's obviously I'm using the one on the Civic. Let me show you. It's right here. This is for Accord and this is for Civic, right there. Same thing on the other side. Think of it that this is the car, that I want to get the car somewhat squared within the strings. So if I'm like this, then I'm going to start using my tape measure to measure right at the axle, at the center of the rims. To push it somewhat, I can make that car center on the strings. Sometimes you will not get the same length, but make sure that you are getting, if you are getting 1 inches here, you should get 1 inches over here too, right on the tire at the center of it. If you get 3/4 here, 3/4 there, so be it, as long as you are square within that strings. Because sometimes the axle is not the same length. Sometimes you would have a spacer at the front or at the back. You're not gonna have the same amount of space in between. As long as for the rear are the same and also for the front are the same. The idea is to get the car center or square within the strings. That said, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. It will take me a while, and as soon as I got it centered, then I will show it to you. And also make sure that the string is at the center of the rims. Same thing at the back and also the other side. Pay attention on the nut also. If it sticks out, make sure you're on the... So right now, and be consistent on how you take your reading. If you want to read outside of the string or inside. So that's 3.5 minus 1/16. Yeah. All right. 3.5 minus 1/16. So 3.5 right there. Same thing. All right. So 3.5. Right at one line. 3.5 plus 1/16. Right at the center of it. And this one is the same thing. There. Once you get your car all centered up, now it's time to check the back. Always check the back first. If you are going to make an adjustment, you have to check the back. The front has to follow the back. That's the main reason. This is your leader right here, the rear. I have an instance one time that I didn't play around with this. I said, I didn't make any adjustment here, so I think I'll be okay. Guess what? When I was driving like 80 miles an hour and on a turn, I was fishtailing. So always check the back. Be consistent on how you are going to take your reading. You have two choices. It's either use the center of the string or the inner or the outside, but always be consistent. Take some multiple readings if you can. That's about 1 inch right there. I'm using the inside of the string. For the front, I'm using the inside of the string. It's almost 1 inch also. Actually, this one's got more. So it looks like I'm toe out just a little bit, just a hair. Left rear, I'm using the inside. That's 1 inch and 1/16. That's 1 inch. So 1/16 off. This is toe in, 1/16 of an inch. Man, that is not bad. Before you make any adjustment, right? This is somehow how Jer wanted it, the stance. So I'm gonna leave it as is. But if you ever gonna do one of these, make sure to check your camber first. Lower your car, check your camber, and set your stance the way you wanted it. If you have to add a weight here, that's fine. And always set your steering at 0. I don't have those locks. I'll be okay. Sometimes if you have the locks in there, once you get everything all set up, adjusted and everything, you take it for a ride, then you will see the steering crooked. By then, you have to adjust some more. That will be on the advanced tutorial. All right, now we're gonna check the front. I'm gonna read the inner side of the string. That is 3/4 right there. Now I got more. That's like 15/16 right there. So 1, 2, 3/16 off. So I'm more than 1/8. So I should bring this. I'm gonna tighten the inner rods, the tie rods. That way I can bring the rims. It's gonna go in more. Just a little bit. I just need 1/16 of an inch, maybe 3/4 turn. I probably don't even need to get this thing set up again. Yeah, only just a small fraction. Now for the left side, I'm using the inside. That's 7/8 right there. And 13/16. So I'm 1/16 right here. So this is good. So I just need to tighten the inner tie rods on this one just a little bit, maybe half a turn. Yeah, that will bring me to about more than 1/8, and I'll be good. And also for the back, I'm gonna tighten this up a little bit. After I have made some adjustment on this one, I have to do the same thing. Bring the car to the center again. So you must do it all over again. Which way I'm going? So I want to bring the forward side of the rim. So I want to compress the rod together. So okay, so if I was, I want to make a reference for myself. That way I'll know how much. Let me see if I can figure this out. So if I tightened it, I'm Okay, I think I have to move forward. Yeah. I'm gonna move it. Okay, I'm gonna turn it. Yeah, I'm tightening it. Alright, I think that's good. I only need that, not very much. I'm gonna tighten this back up. Man, there's really not much room on here. Always place a tape and mark it. That way you will know how much did you turn the tie rod. Okay, I don't really need that much. Maybe half a turn, I think. I'm gonna bring it 180. Let me mark the other side, opposite of it. Okay, right there. Not very much. You know what? Let me give it another 90. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it back up. Okay, that should do it. Unboxing again. Okay, I'm on the same spot. Check the front. I'm using the inside the string. That's about 15-16 right there. And this is 1 inch. All right, this is 1/16 of an inch. This is the back. I'm using the inner side of the string. That's 1 inch right there. For the front, more than an inch. 1/32. I can call it 1/32. Yeah, a little past 1 inch. That's good. All right, done deal. Hey, it's not bad, not bad at all. That's how to do a quick string alignment on the car. Hopefully you get the idea, and yeah, give it a try, give it a shot. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys back. Hope you guys like this episode. Okay, it is hot. Man, what a stance, huh? Right on. Beautiful, beautiful car. I guess I must say bye-bye to this car. You know, man, I hate this. The last minute, the door handle broke. God, look at that. Man, shush. Bye everyone.